Hello everyone, I'm happy to present to you our study, The Other Business Aside from Show Business, the Effectiveness of Celebrity Endorsing Their Own Business Venture. This study is a collaborative effort between Dr. Reynaldo Bautista Jr. of De La Salle University, yours truly Dr. Dave Vincent Mangilet of De La Salle University, and Dr. Mirabel Reyes of De La Salle College of St. Benilde. This presentation will be divided into 4 sections. First part will be the different turn of events. Second is about the background of the topic. Third is about our conceptual framework. And fourth is sharing with you the relevance of this study. So in terms of the timeline of events, we all know that in March 9, 2020, President Duterte started the partial lockdown in Metro Manila because of the COVID-19 pandemic. After that, in May of 2020, ABS-CBN goes off the air because of the cease and desist order of the National Telecommunications Commission. In July of 2020, the Committee on Legislative Franchises of the House of Representatives denied the franchise renewal of ABS-CBN, thus the issue of unemployment of around 11,000 employees, which includes celebrities. And now we're in the process of recovery as we ease the quarantine and slowly open some businesses. What happened was, in this pandemic and the closure of ABS-CBN, a lot of celebrities have decided to put up their own business to survive. In an article of Manila Bulletin, they started featuring 12 celebrities who started to enter a business venture during the pandemic. While some fans have been very supportive, others were not. Glock9, a famous rapper, was actually criticized also by a fan, and he responded, "Remember, we live in different times. We need to fight for our loved ones so we can survive." So the contribution of this paper is actually a conceptual framework that combines a tri-model component from Ohanian of 1990 as predictors of perceived risk and credibility. Subsequently, perceived risk and credibility will influence electronic word of mouth and intention to purchase the products. Using the tri-component model, develop the scales to measure sources such as trustworthiness, expertise, and attractiveness. It is called a tri-component model of source credibility. The model used source credibility as of Hofland et al. In 1953 and the source attractiveness model from McGuire in 1985 for constructing the measurement scales. The source credibility model measures only celebrity trust and expertise as the dimensions, whereas the source attractiveness model measures the celebrity attractiveness attributes. So the tri-component model has combined the attributes of source credibility and source attractiveness to derive 3 dimensions to measure the impact of celebrity credibility such as trust, expertise, and attractiveness on consumer behavior. These variables will be used as antecedents to perceived risk and credibility. And therefore, the relevance of this framework would encourage future researchers to test the concept and validate the variable relationship through statistical analysis, propose an integrated marketing communications plan to help the celebrities with new business ventures, and understand the impact of celebrity endorsements and its ability to convey trust, expertise, and attractiveness to potential target customers. We hope that you understood this concept. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you very much.